AT&T Wi-Fi Calling uses your Wi-Fi network for calls and texts when cellular signal is weak. Problems typically arise from iOS updates, network changes, or router issues. Potential causes include software bugs, regional network congestion, incompatible routers, account issues, or incorrect settings. If Wi-Fi calling isn't working, you'll likely experience dropped calls or an inability to make calls in areas with poor cellular coverage. First, ensure your iPhone is compatible. Wi-Fi calling requires iPhone 6 or later. Next, enable Wi-Fi calling in your settings. Navigate to Settings, then Phone, and turn on Wi-Fi calling. Then, verify that your AT&T account is active and supports Wi-Fi calling. Finally, confirm you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, preferably on the 5 GHz band for better performance. Update to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, General, then Software Update. This ensures you have the latest fixes for Wi-Fi calling. Force restart your iPhone by holding the power and volume buttons. This clears temporary glitches affecting Wi-Fi calling. If issues persist, reset network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. This clears cache data and resolves connectivity problems. Contact AT&T customer support by calling 1-800-331-0500 or using their online chat. Ask them to verify that your account is in good standing and that Wi-Fi calling is enabled for your line. Request that AT&T reset the Wi-Fi calling feature on their servers. This can resolve problems caused by unpaid bills, porting issues, or account configuration errors. Download and open the My AT&T app from the App Store. Use it to review your account details, check for any outstanding issues, and run the built-in troubleshooting steps for Wi-Fi calling. Settings level fixes focus on basic iPhone settings that can interfere with Wi-Fi calling. First, ensure airplane mode is turned off. When airplane mode is on, it disables all wireless features, including Wi-Fi calling. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi calling requires a stable internet connection to function properly. Disable any VPNs or firewalls that might be blocking necessary network ports. Wi-Fi calling uses UDP ports 500 and 4500 for the IKV2 protocol. Finally, enable location services. This allows the device to determine its location for proper network routing. Router issues can disrupt AT&T Wi-Fi calling. Start by checking for double NAT problems, where two routers create overlapping networks that interfere with VoIP connections. Next, ensure your router firmware is current. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Wi-Fi calling protocols. Verify your router supports VoIP protocols required for Wi-Fi calling. Incompatible routers may block the necessary ports or connections. Use a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal for better reliability. 5 GHz offers faster speeds and less interference than 2.4 GHz, reducing call dropouts. If problems persist, consider upgrading to a newer router with better VoIP support and Wi-Fi 7 technology for improved connectivity. For advanced fixes, start with reinstalling your SIM profile. Go to Settings, then General, then About, and tap SIM Pin to reinstall the profile. This step is especially useful after iOS updates and ensures your iPhone is properly registered with the AT&T network. Next, make sure your AT&T app is updated to the latest version, at least 24.5 or higher. This can resolve more complex issues related to network authentication and improve Wi-Fi calling reliability. Wi-Fi calling is increasingly integrated with 5G networks, enabling seamless transitions between Wi-Fi and cellular connections without call drops. Rich communication services integration enhances Wi-Fi calling with advanced messaging features, creating a unified communication experience. Future iOS versions will feature AI diagnostics that automatically detect and resolve Wi-Fi calling issues, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. AT&T plans full integration with satellite services by 2028, making cellular independent calling more common and reliable. Keep your devices updated to take advantage of these advancements and ensure optimal Wi-Fi calling performance.